All right, here we go with the May 2nd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. Very warm day yesterday. Highs made it up into the low and mid 80s in many spots across the Carolinas. Some 70s in the mountain zones. Almost entirely lower 80s around the Triad viewing area. A little bit warmer in Burlington at 84, but 81 a common number for many spots around the Triad viewing area. And then there you go around the Charlotte region, the foothills, the Piedmont, low to mid 80s, and then some 70s up in the high country. All right, let's take a peek here at the upper level pattern. An even warmer setup coming up for the next couple of days than what we had yesterday. Still have this big upper level ridge across the southeast. That's providing a lot of warm and dry weather. Now that ridge collapses a bit as we get into the weekend. That allows a trough to move in, so some weekend shower chances arrive. More on that a little bit later in the video. But in the meantime, high pressure over the Atlantic Ocean. That is that clockwise circulation you see that is pumping in the warm air all over the eastern part of the country, right on through the end of the work week before the pattern changes for us over the weekend. But look at the temperatures relative to average. There you go. Charlotte temperature trend way above average as we go through the next several days before temperatures trend closer to average early next week. Same deal for Greensboro. Well above average temperatures, and the average high in the mid-70s across the Piedmont this time of year. All right, there's Wake Forest University in Winston-Salem. Quiet start to the day, temperature at 59 there at the Smith Reynolds Airport in Winston-Salem. And take a look at the Beach Mountain Parkway cam up in the high country in North Carolina. We'll see temperature there at 51, pretty mild there too. So certainly a mild weather setup here across the region this morning. And finally, there's the Dowd YMCA camera looking at uptown Charlotte, 56 during the 5 a.m. hour early this morning. And there you go, temperatures in the 50s across the region. Pretty quiet start to the day. Very quiet on the satellite and the radar imagery as well. Now you go northwest of us, and this is what's left of the big thunderstorm and severe weather outbreak yesterday in the plains. Some rain and storms in Wisconsin moving into Michigan. Some storms lingering in northern Missouri as well. So one system has moved up into the Great Lakes, a little piece of energy along that front. Another low pressure developing in the Rockies. That's going to cause another round of severe weather over the next couple of days. But there's yesterday's storm reports, a lot of them, a couple hundred plus severe weather reports focused around the plain states yesterday. And watch the explosive thunderstorm development here on the future radar through Texas and Oklahoma and the Panhandle regions, and then expanding northeastward from there. Especially concerned today about Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Missouri, into southern Iowa. That zone looks like the prime region for a big round of severe weather. That is a moderate risk or a Category 4 risk of severe weather near and north and west of places like Kansas City. And then extending down with severe weather chances into Texas. Tomorrow, once again, severe weather threat pretty significant over parts of the plains. But in the meantime, it is extremely quiet in our neck of the woods. Lots of sunshine today. Here's your highs this afternoon, even warmer than yesterday. Tomorrow, warm, dry weather. There's our Thursday afternoon highs, and Friday might even wind up being the warmest day of the work week. There's our Friday high temperatures, really toasty across the region. Temperatures then begin to trend down a little bit, especially in North Carolina, on Saturday as our next system approaches. And so here's what it looks like on the European model. I think north and west of Interstate 85, we have the chance for some afternoon showers or storms working in Saturday, and then those chances continue into Saturday night into Sunday. European doesn't have much rain Sunday. GFS wants to linger the rain into a good bit of Sunday. Notice how similar they look Saturday afternoon. But then the GFS keeps things going in terms of rain chances through the day Sunday. We'll see. I still don't think a weekend washout. I think the outdoor plans have a shot over the weekend, but just be aware you may have to dodge some showers or storms here or there. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.